In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails using Brevo. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to set up a campaign, design your email, and schedule it to send to the right audience. First, log into your Brevo account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Marketing. Inside the Marketing section, select Create Campaign. A pop-up window will appear asking what kind of campaign you want to create. Choose Email, then select Regular Email. Give your campaign a clear, descriptive name so you can easily find it later. You can also assign tags to help with organization and choose a folder where this campaign will be stored. When you're happy with those details, click Create Campaign. You'll now see your campaign editor divided into 5 main sections: Sender, Recipients, Subject, Design, and Scheduling. Start with the Sender section. Click Manage Sender, and the panel will expand. Here you can choose or edit the email address that your contacts will see, as well as the sender name. Make sure these look professional and recognizable so people are more likely to open your email. When you're done, click Save. Next, move to the Recipients section. Click Add Recipients. In the drop-down, you can choose whether to send to a full contact list, a segment, or individual contacts. If you want to keep your list healthy, you can tick the option to avoid sending to unengaged contacts. This helps improve deliverability and open rates. Once you've selected your audience, click Save. Now set up your subject line. Click Add Subject. Type in a concise, engaging subject line, and if you like, add emojis or personalization variables. You can also enter preview text, which is the small line that appears next to the subject in most inboxes. As you type, you'll see a live preview on the right side. When everything looks good, click Save. Then move on to Design. Click Start Designing. A pop-up will appear with different templates. For this example, you can choose a default template under Basic Templates. The editor will open with a live preview on the right and a panel on the left. In the Content panel, you'll see tabs for blocks, sections, and saved elements. Drag and drop these into your email to build your layout. Under Style Settings, you can adjust layout, spacing, background, headers, text styles, links, and buttons. To edit any block, click on it. Its content and styling options will appear on the left. You'll also see floating icons on the selected block that let you move it, duplicate it, use AI assistance, or delete it. Take a moment to review the entire message for consistency and readability. When you're satisfied, click Save and Quit in the top right corner. Wait for the page to reload, and you'll return to the main campaign editor. Finally, it's time to schedule your email. In the top right corner of the campaign editor, click Schedule. A panel will open on the right with several options. You can send now, schedule the email for a later time, send at what Brevo determines is the best time, or send in batches if you want to spread out delivery. Choose the option that works best for your campaign strategy, then click Send or Schedule at the bottom right, and that's it. You've successfully set up and scheduled an email campaign in Brevo, from sender and recipients all the way through design and delivery.